Okay, so in this video, we're just going to check your button and logo width, make sure that they add up to the 1024 pixels available. Now, we'll just say if you're not doing a navigation system where your logo is sitting next to your buttons, then you may need to do the calculation slightly differently. Also, if you have a vertical navigation system, then obviously the width of the web page is less relevant to you as well. So if you're not sure about what you need to be doing, then feel free to ask. But this tutorial video will just talk you through where your logo is next to the buttons or where your logo is just above the buttons with a horizontal, so across the top, navigation system. So let's get into our website folder. Okay, so you can see I'm already in the website folder. I've gone into assets, logo, and you can see the logo is here ready. So I've exported that from Vector. So if I hover over that there, you can see the dimensions are 204 pixels width and 137 pixels height. So that 204 pixels width will be coming off our available 1024 pixels. Because on our website the logo will be going next to the button. So I'm just going to open up the calculator and just so you can see the calculation that we're doing. So 1024 pixels, which is the width of the container table that we just created, and I'm going to knock off the 204 pixel width of the logo. So I've got 820 pixels remaining. So let's just put that out of the way for a second. So now I'm going to go to the buttons folder. And in your buttons folder, if you followed the Photopea tutorial, you should have one button for each of your web pages in your main color, and you should also have a rollover image for each of the buttons as well. So they're named sort of about underscore BTN, so there shouldn't be any spaces. The BTN just stands for button, and as you can see here, about underscore BTN underscore RO, so button and rollover. So it's a rollover image. If we hover over one of these buttons, then you can see that the dimensions are 164 pixels wide by 40 pixels high. So the height, we've just set it so it looks sensible on the web page, but the width, we've set it according to how many buttons we have and how much space we have available in terms of pixels after we deduct the logo. So we've knocked the logo off. We've got 5 buttons here. So what we're going to do is just divide our remaining pixels by 5. So if you just had 5 buttons and your logo was going above your website buttons, your navigation system buttons, then what you would do is you would just take 1024 pixels and divide it by the number of buttons. But in this case, the logo will be next to the buttons, so we just have 820 left. And you can see there that if you do that divided by 5, then you've got 164 pixels. And that is the width that we've set for our buttons. So just double check your sizes, make sure that you've got the correct widths ready to go, obviously dependent on your website design. And yeah, once you're ready, move on to the next video.